we're having a party tonight for my friend because she's leaving on Sunday, and we're all contributing something to the party. So I'm going to be making the sides and the dips. My other friend is bringing like some meat. We're doing barbecue, and we're just organizing everything. So now I'm gonna go to the market to buy some chickpeas, because I will be making the sides, which I will be making like 3 types of hummus and, you know, some other stuff. So let's go to the market. I forgot to film in the market, but this is what I bought. After I washed the chickpeas, I put them in the pot with some water. And I brought sesame seeds for the tahini. So we're making everything from scratch. You can see that it's from the farm. See all the dirt? So I'm separating that, and then the separated one I'm putting in here to soak it with water. This is what came out of it, and then now I am... To make the tahini, after you toast the sesame seed, you blend it, and then you add a little bit of vegetable oil. Mix it well, and you got yourself a fresh tahini. Okay, here's the sesame for the tahini. I'm going to first toast these. Toasting a little bit of the sesame seeds. Okay, I have strained the water out, and then now I'm going to put it on the fire that is boiling here. Woo. So I'm just gonna wait for this to cook. I have only 20 minutes left. I'm showered and everything, but we just finished with the mashed potato. Let me show you. Do 1, 2, 3 boxes of mashed potatoes. We're finished with the mashed potato. We're gonna do the hummus. The chickpeas are ready. Some garlic, tahini, and lemon juice. Adding 2 tablespoons of oil, cumin, and salt. I completely forgot to do the video. Okay, cooking is finished. I did 2 types of hummus, one a normal one and another one with beetroot. So to make it, I used the same ingredients. So for the beetroot, I just added a beetroot. Now we're going to the supermarket to get us some plastic cups and things like that, party favors, and some vegetables that we can roast on the grill. And then I dressed up really nice like this in yellow, green, and blah blah skirt. Did not think very much because now it's raining. Gloomy Addis, so nice. I forgot our shopping experience again. Oh my god. Okay, we just bought our vegetables. I can show you the vegetables, but I forgot to film it. Some eggplants and cucumbers and carrots and some pepper. So this is the spread. We did. Okay, she does love a present. There you go. Oh, hello. Evening gown. A wonderful lady.
Oh, and to all my amazing, wonderful friends.
Yes, over here and over here. Whose drink is not here? No. You can't leave. Holiday, yes.
Let's all leave. Let's all just leave now.
No.
Let's all leave from there. Go get on the road.
Chicken we marinated is still here? No, but we will share because we're nice people. Huh? Wait. Woo!
Okay. Addis Ababa እኔ በገርጂ ጥይሽ በመገናኛ መለሰ እሱ ነው የሚቀርባ Look at where we are, looking all fabulous. Brunch
in Marcus. Hey, madam. Yes, we are in Marcus because today my dear friend Cheryl is leaving us. We did a mini party for her the other day. And today we did a nice brunch all together with friends. And yeah, I'm very sad my dear friend is leaving. This is what's up. The food here, what do you like the food here? Well, she's fasting, so she just had potatoes. I had the food. The food was good. It was good. I wouldn't say it was excellent, but it was good. The company better. And I love brunch, so it's good. Beautiful place. Look at this view. The view is viewing. We are on the 46th floor. 46th floor, Adela? Madam? 46th floor liner. So pretty! Yeah! Really? Then put it more towards you. Yeah. Like this is looking fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. Let me show you my outfits that I wore for brunch. You can't see me from there, but hold on. Let me put it here. Let me show you my bag. This is my bag. Okay, we came for brunch to Marcus, and I'm going to introduce you to lovely people. And my friend is a dress designer. That's her in the red, and both those dresses that you're seeing over there is what Galila made. So let me show you. Yes, that's Galila's dress made by Galila. Cheryl, I'm going to fix the thingy for her. Traditional dress made by Galila, very beautiful. The toilet is in pink and purple, and it is a little bit lower from the knee, and it's a perfect length. I'll show you. Wait, I can just turn it around and there, perfect. But back it up a little bit. Yes, perfect. Perfect. So there we go. More when it's darker, it will be more nice. Love you. Come on, okay, let's go. So, do you like this place for brunch?
I love this place for brunch. I love these ladies.
These beautiful ladies. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something today. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Oh yeah.
And
YouTube channel.
and click on the link below. Like us, follow us, comment on us, buy our products. You're supposed to say subscribe.